Moves are ready. Right. Good morning, guys. So, let's check our news real quick while we wait for this candle closure. Yellow folder news for Euro all day. Fantastic. All right, USD, we don't got news until 10 o'clock again. Euro's orange folder, not yellow, sorry. All right, let's get these stop losses eyed out. All right, good. And to mark out my stop losses, just so make it a little bit easier. Okay. All right. 80215 will be our pending entry. 80280. If we close for USD CHF, pull up trade locker on the phone also, so we can set for Euro USD. So we get a good entry today and don't miss, you know. No closures outside. USD CHF's most likely probably gonna buy, honestly. Or oh no, 6675. Or not. We need a closer, guys. Need a closer. What is that shaking? Yeah. All right, there we go. Got rid of the shaking. Oh man. 80275. Will be the stop. Getting a huge push though. So well, oh. Well, we're locked into this. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna go try to trade Euro USD today. Especially since there's gonna be Euro heavy yellow folder, not yellow, orange folder news for Euro all day, and you're gonna have USD news at 10 o'clock. So I don't know if Euro is the best one for today, just because of that. look good over here, so I think we're gonna stick here right now. No break on euro, so this will probably be the break, if anything. We're gonna mark our 1 to 2. Or 1 to 5. Or 1, I keep doing that. 1 to 1.5. We'll rest this at our 1. And in case we are interested in this eventually, kind of what we'll be looking at. Well, while we watch this, let's go back to the news and read what some of this is about. 8:30 on USD, though, we had red folder news. Explains these wild wicks over here. Okay, USD. Orange folder news. Revised UOM consumer sentiment level composite index based on surveyed consumers greater than forecast is good for currency, released monthly. University of Michigan, that's what the UOM is. Okay. The relative level in current future economic conditions. Alright, well, that's what that is. Our Euro news that they claim to be all day is German prelims CPI and M/M, right? So change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, right? So euro is obviously gonna, depending on what exactly they spoke about, I would assume it'd be good just by the way the market's moving right now. But see. Never really know. It's all guesses. We did have red folder news on USD at 8:30. The core PCE price index. Interesting. Almost tapped the 1-to-1. Alright, so that's the news. Not much really. Never want to see red folder, but it was 8:30. It was a while ago, so I think we'll be all right. We got exactly what we wanted up here, so that's perfect for me. Now we just wait. Check Euro USD. I am not in Euro USD. I don't think I will be just because you got Euro orange folder news all day. USD again, news at 10 o'clock, so it's Friday. I'm really just looking to get my 1-to-1 and be done. Close out this 5-week win streak. Yeah, I don't know about yeah, this market has been crazy all through London. Usually not that volatile. All right. Let's go back to what we care about, though. main target down here. Come on, let's close this 5-week win streak, baby. We got this. Technically, I could just close right now and be good. I don't really need to trade today, and we'll close it out. But what fun is that? Gotta risk it. Speaking of that, yesterday, if we didn't get off when we had to do what we had to do, we got 1 to 3s out of both markets. Crazy. Alright, 1 to 1 smashed. To get that news at 10, so oof, yes. Alright, I'm gonna close. Alright, we just closed right here. Oh, where's the exact? I want to give you guys exact. Alright, our exact exit price was 80121. Definitely could have held, but I'm closing my win streak. I don't care. Sorry. Well, yeah, I should have held, but it's all good. Can't be mad about that. What we say it was 121. Closed out right here. 1.5. Should have held. No worries, because I'm done now. That news coming out. You know, it's funny. It's funny when I always talk about this too. Like, I talk about this to myself all the time, and it's every time that I want to fight the news. Man, that shit hurts. And right at this time too. But then the times I'm like, damn, I do want to fight it. We're not going to. This kind of crap happens. Because that's a 1 to 2 already. So I definitely should have stayed in. But it's all good. We are fine. Well, that's it, man. That's a 5-week win streak in the damn bag, dude. In the bag. 5-week win streak in the bag. You guys could see today's profit. Actually, I don't know if you could see that, but promise you it's there. So then we could check for the week. We are profitable. And now for the month. Overall for the month, Okay. Overall for the month, we're about 4%ish, 4 or 5%ish, somewhere in the middle. I gotta do the math properly because all these fees coming out, they do mess the numbers up slightly for me. So, but we're looking at around 4 to 5% profit overall for the month. And actually, I think that could be wrong. It might even be 6, but I think it is 6, but we'll see. Anyway, 5-week win streak in the bag. We were on stream for 39 minutes to close out that. How crazy is that? All right, 2 times your money right there. 35 minutes. I mean, I don't know what you guys want me to say. I mean, we could do one-on-ones or whatever. I don't want to. I don't get a million people watching, so there's no point to charge y'all. So if you guys see this and you want your one-on-ones, just send me a message and do it for free. I'm gonna help you guys out, teach you at least something. Or if you're just not a profitable trader and you just want to chat, hey, let's do it. So before we go, let's make this video. All right. Well, that's it, guys. 5-week win streak in the bag. We just closed out at 1.59% profit for the day. 35 minutes it took. You can see we are live on YouTube. Did it all live on YouTube. We even hit our 1 to 2. Well, that's it, guys. 5-week.
I don't want to work
that's
anymore.
It, guys. 5-week win streak in the bag.
I'm working every day, very hard, and I never
profit
had money.
For the day. 35 minutes it took. Well, that's it, guys. 5-week win streak in the bag. And that's it, y'all. 1.5%. We closed out. We did end up hitting our 1 to 2 too. Pretty quick, honestly. We were only streaming for about 40 minutes. We're still on stream now. We did it live on YouTube. I'm not sitting here going through exactly how to trade the strategy itself on YouTube, but you can come watch the trades and take the same trades as me if you'd like. We're gonna be here. Hell yeah, man. 5-week win streak in the fucking bag. Are you kidding me right now? I'm hyped. Let's make that 6-week loading now, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah, guys. I'm super hyped. Obviously, we're not emotional with the market, right? I am just closing out another big win streak of mine. This is the second time. I did have crazy story actually before we go. I did have I had a week or two that happened a couple months ago where I was just staying up all night long, nonstop. Like I didn't sleep for like almost a straight week, and we were just up all night studying, watching charts. That's all I did. Stare at the charts and try to figure these things out, like my own things, not looking up people's stuff. And I just seen and found things about the market that I used to my advantage, and we ended up, it was one of my biggest things ever, for me at least. And within those 2 weeks, I ended up winning, what was it? It was like 10 or 11 trades in a row off some random strategy that I just made up in my own head, staying up that much. So that was like another big hit, or a big time for me. And that obviously I wasn't ready emotionally and mentally, because I let it get way too far into my head. And yeah, we ended up blowing that whole account. So yeah, I haven't been profitable in trading. I've been doing it for about 4.5 years, and I haven't been profitable until, honestly, this is like the first half of the year now. This is the first time for the past 2 months, 3 months that like we've been profitable, and that's because it had zero to do with the strategy itself. I had a super big problem over trading, treating trading like gambling, right? I used to love to go to the casino, drink, all that. So I kind of fell into that when I was trading. Like, damn, I just want to make more money. I just want to make more money. And I took trades I knew I wasn't supposed to. No matter how many times it hurt me, I kept making the same mistake over and over and over. And mid this year, just something clicked in my head. And it was just like a switch that went off. And, ever since then, I've stuck to my plan. Haven't changed a damn thing. Don't make any extra trades. Don't care if I miss trades. Take the emotions completely out of it. And that's all it took, was the mental side to turn that switch, and now I'm profitable all the time. So, and I'm pretty sure we all know this. Traders talk about it all the time. Everybody knows it. We could listen to it a million times, but you just got to do that. You just got to trust your plan and follow it to a T, consistently, all the time, and never make that mistake. If you're making the mistake where you're going against your plan, you're guaranteed to fail every time. But guys, we're done. We hit it. I mean, you can see it's still going. I don't even know where's this 1 to 3 at. My exact target. All right, we just talked about that. I put that target there. That's where I hope. I mean, it might not actually touch it, or even go past it, but we know that's a good zone. Why do we know that's a good zone? Well, right, we can look here on the 30-minute, and you see how it's obviously rejecting off the previous New York low, which is a little high, honestly, but right, we rejected off the previous New York low. You got your 1 hour time frame, and it's all, these doubles just look good. You got this giant area here where it tapped into 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Right, so we know we're going to come back and tap these areas. We come back to Euro USD. Let's see if anyone got in this. Yeah, you would have got a 1.5, but like I said, the news, I don't think the euro was worth it today. Also, I don't like going big risk on Friday, because I ain't, you don't want to go into the weekend as losing. At least for me, that was probably that's hard to go through, because now you got to wait all the way to Monday now to go trade again, and all you can think about is that how you just lost on that Friday, and now if you lose Monday, you got it's gonna put you in a spot. You don't want to do that, or at least for me, I don't want to do that to myself. I know myself well enough. There's always going to be money to be made in the markets. I don't need to rush any of this. But that's it, guys. There it is. Hell yeah, 5-week win streak in the bag. See you guys Monday morning. Until then, I love y'all. Stay blessed. Good spirits. And yeah, let's keep crushing.